Hey friends, if you wish to fix the Microsoft Phone Link app not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, a few models of Android phones are not compatible with Phone Link, and in this case, here's what you can do. First of all, search for Phone Link, okay, and then go to App Settings. If your model is not compatible, then it will not work. But if it is, then here's what you can do. Scroll down and terminate the process, then try repairing it. Wait for a few seconds till you get a tick mark here, and once that is done, try working on it. If it doesn't help, then reset it. This is the maximum that you can do with the phone link application, because there is no option to uninstall it. While that option exists to PowerShell, I will not recommend that because this app is not available on the Microsoft Store, so you cannot re-download it. So this is the maximum that you can do. You can repair and reset the application. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.